Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a jack-o'-lantern basket or monster pumpkin basket. First, let's draw a curve, and then we're gonna draw the pumpkin or the basket. Then we're gonna draw the decoration. The eyes look like triangular shapes, and also the nose is a triangle, and the scary mouth. Start filling the basket with candies. First, I'm gonna draw a lollipop. It's a spiral and also the lollipop stick. And then you can add any kind of candies you like. This is another lollipop. And then follow the way I fill my basket with candies. Once the basket full of candies, we gonna draw the handle. And I'm drawing the curves. It's the pattern of the pumpkin so that it looks like pumpkin. And the last, we're gonna draw some candies that are scattered. And it's done. It's time to color. I'm gonna make the candies or the treat colorful, while for the pumpkin it's gonna be orange. Follow me how I color the candies or the treats and the jack-o'-lantern basket. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.